Hi, my name is Mark. My good friend Laszlo and I decided to invest in Stepcraft. We bought two of the first Q-series machines sold in the United States. Now Laszlo and I were involved with large capital equipment all our lives. I managed a company in America for a German company and sold large printing presses. Laszlo was an engineer in one of the companies we sold to. We knew that if you bought new machines, they could have bugs. But after going through the machine, the side frame, the ball screws, the electronics, we decided to buy. And we had a few problems. But the folks from Stepcraft took care of the problems or made it right. It's a great machine. Laszlo and I love this machine, and we have a great relationship with the folks from Stepcraft. They're honest, full of integrity, and fun to work with.